Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with new topic, that is API 1104 welding related top 50 question. You can see here this question is very helpful for your interview or exam. So let's start. Question 1. A welder shall be requalified whenever which of the following occurs? Option A is a change from vertical uphill to vertical downhill. Option B is a change of filler metal classification from group 1 to group 3. Option C is a change from one process to another. Option D is when all of the above changes at the same time, and option E is all of the above. Definitely you need to, if you change all these vertical uphill to vertical downhill, filler metal classification, also the change of one process to another, and also all of the above, then definitely all of the above changes at the same time. So option E is the correct one. All of the above is correct one, shall be requalified. If you see the option A, B, C, D changes anything, then you have to requalify that WPS or welder. So question 1 finish. Question 2. Which of the following is not specified as a requirement for visual welding inspection? So which one is not requirement? Free from cracks. Option B is inadequate penetration. Option C is free of burn through. Option D is filler wire protrudes less than 1/8 inch into inside of pipe, and option E is neat appearance. So option D is the correct one. You can see in visual, free from cracks, inadequate penetration, free from burn through, neat appearance means visual. Only you cannot see option D. Okay, so option D is the correct one. Question number 3. For multiple qualification, a welder shall be required to perform select 2. So 2 option you have to select. Option A is make a bar weld in the fixed position. Option B is prepare a full size branch on pipe connection. Option C is join pipes greater than 4.5 inch OD. And option D is demonstrate non-destructive testing skill. And option E is both A and B. So multiple qualification a welder shall be required. For multiple qualification is required. So make a bar weld in the fixed position, and the second one prepare a full size branch on pipe connection. Then definitely multiple qualification you can see. So option E is the correct one. Question 4. For position welding, the maximum reinforcement permitted is option A is not more than thickness of the pipe. Option B is depends on the amount of pipe offset. Option C is 1/16 inch maximum. Option D is 1/16 inch minimum, and option E is up to welder discretion. So definitely the option C is the correct one. 1/16 inch maximum for position welding, the maximum reinforcement. Question 5. When pipe is welded above ground, the working clearance around the pipe should not be less than. So if you see the pipe welded in the above ground, so working clearance should be how much? Option A is 450 mm, option B is 450 mm, and option C is 18 inches, and option D is 16 inch. So which one is the correct? So option E is B and D. So B is 450 mm and it is 16 inch. So both are same. So both B and D above. This one the correct one. So option E. Question 6. Which of the following are acceptable means for welder to identify their work? So which one, if you see in a welder, if you see a welder working at site, what is their identity? Option A is stenciling their identification symbol adjacent to the weld. Option B is recording their identification symbol on a weld map. Option C is writing their identification symbol adjacent to the weld using a permanent marker. Option D is recording their identification on traveler, and option E is any of the above method as prescribed by the owner or owner representative. So you cannot do this one confirmation by yourself. You have to get confirmation from your client. So option E is the correct one. Question number 7. Who shall decide when weather conditions are suitable for welding? Who shall decide? Option A, the project engineer. Option B is the company. Option C is the supervisor of welding. Option D is the contractor. Option E is the quality assurance head. Definitely the company people only can told that whether condition is suitable for welding or not. Question number 8. How many root bend specimen are required for 8-inch OD pipe with wall thickness less than 12.7 mm according to the data of table 3? If you go table 3 in API 1104, option A is none, option B is 1, option C is 2, option D is 3, and option E is 4. So correct answer is option C is 2. So you need 2 root bend test for the specimen for less than 12.7 mm wall thickness. Question number 9. What is the total number of test specimen required for 8-inch OD pipe with wall thickness less than 12.7 mm according to data in table 3? So option A. So number of tests, that was the bend test only, but here is number of tests. Option 2, option A is 2 number, option B is 3 number, option C is 4 number, option D is 5 number, and option E is 6 number. So correct answer is the 6. 6 is the correct one. Question number 10. Pipe ends of the same thickness should not be offset by more than. So how much offset is requirement? Acceptance criteria 1 by 16 inch, option B is 1 by 32 inch, option C is 1 by 8 inch, option D is 1 by 4 inch, and option E is no offset is permitted. So correct answer is option C, 1 by 8 inch. 1 by 8 inch should be offset, not more than this 1 by 8 inch. Question number 11. Who determines the type of inspection to be done? Type of inspection to be done, the welder. Option B, the inspector. Option C is the QC manager. Option D is the owner company. Option E is none of the above. Definitely this type of question always will be the owner or company will decide the type of inspection, what is the requirement. Question number 11, option is D. Question 12. Which of the following destructive or non-destructive testing method may not be used? Which one is not used? You see here, visual inspection. Option B is radiographic inspection. Option C is tray panning. Option D is penetrant testing, and option E is bend specimen. So which one is not required for the non-destructive testing? The tray panning is not required for non-destructive testing. The option C. Question number 13. Non-destructive testing personnel other than visual inspection personnel shall be qualified in accordance with which of the following? So you see, non-destructive personnel other than visual inspection personnel, you should qualify in accordance with which of the following? Option A is SNT TC 1A. Option B is ASME section 5. Option C is ASTM 265E, and option D is ACCP, and option E is A and D above. So ACCP you know, and SNT TC 1A, this one is requirement for the qualification. So both A and D above. So option E is the correct one. Question number 14. How often must level 3 non-destructive testing personnel be recertified? So you have to recertify. There is the option every year, or option B every 2 years, option C is every 3 years, option D is every 4 years, or option E every 5 years. Which one is the correct one? Every 5 years you have to recertification for non-destructive personnel. Question number 15. Who determines the frequency of inspection? The welder. Option B, the chief inspector. Option C, the quality assurance head. Option D, the company. Option E is the contractor. Which one? Who determines? The company determine will the frequency of inspection. Question number 16. Documentation of inspection personnel qualification shall include. What will be the include of documented personnel for documentation of inspection personnel? One is education and experience should be there. Option B, trainings also, and option C, a result of an oral exam. Option D, all of the above. So option D, all of the above is the correct one. See, all of the above is the correct one. Question number 17. Level 2 and 3 NDT personnel shall be certified to any recognized national certification program acceptable to the company. Option B is ASNT TC 1A. Option C is any patented AWS program. Option D is the contractor's in-house certification program, and option E is both A and B. Definitely both A and B are acceptable. Any recognized national certification could certify the level 2 and level 3, and ASNT TC 1A also certify the level 2 and level 3. Question number 18. How often shall level 1 and level 2 NDT personnel be recertified? Option A, every year, every 2 years, at least every 3 years. Option D, at the chief inspector inspection. Option D, as specified in the contract. So definitely at least every 3 years, level 1 and level 2 recertification. Question number 19. The maximum width of an isolated slag inclusion in a weld on a pipe whose outside diameter 6.625 inch. So whose outside diameter 6.625 inch, what will be the maximum width of isolated slag inclusion? Option A is 1 by 16 inch. Option B is 1 by 8 inch. Option C is 1 by half inch. Option D is 1.59 mm. And option E is both B and D above. So you should remember this type of question. So the correct answer will be the 1 by 8 inch. So hope you understand this question, or all are helpful. If you like this question, please subscribe, get more videos. You will not miss any videos in future. So question number 19 is done. Question number 20. The maximum length of crater crack is, option A is 1 by 8 inch. Option B is 5 by 32 inch. Option C is no cracks are allowed. Option D is half the width of the bit, and option E is the craters in the weld cannot crack. So maximum length of crater crack, that is 5 by 32 inch. Option B is the correct one. Question number 21. When using ultrasonic testing, linear indication buried within the weld are unacceptable if they, option A, exceed 2 inch in total length in a continuous 12 inch length of weld. Option B is exceed 5 by 32 inch. Option C is exceed 8% of the weld length. Option D is exceed 6% of the weld length. And option E is both A and C above. So I think this will be the above, both A and C. You can see their acceptance criteria in API 1104. If you have any query for that type of question, you are not finding out this defect acceptance criteria, please, I need your comments in the YouTube comment box. Then I will explain to you. I will answer to you. Question number 22. When inspecting a pipe weld, you measure some undercut at the face of the weld. You see there is an undercut of the weld face. The undercut mechanically measure, it is 1 by 64 inch deep and approximately 6 inch long. The undercut is acceptable or what? Not acceptable. Option B is must first be checked against radiograph measurement. Option C is unacceptable because it exceeds 2 inches. Option D is acceptable. Option E is undercut cannot be produced on face side of the weld. Definitely it is acceptable. You can see 1 by 64 inch deep. It is acceptable as per API 1104. Question number 23. Linear indication are those indication whose length is more than 3 times its width. Option B is length is equal to its width. Option C is length is more than 4 times its width. Option D is width is equal to its length, and option E is length is less than its width. So option is A, length is more than 3 times its width. Option A is the correct one. Question number 24. Incomplete fusion is a defect when the length of an individual indication exceeds. Option A is 1 by 8 inch. Option B is 25% of the wall thickness. Option C is 1 by 4 inch, and option D is 1 inch, and option E is no completed fusion is permitted. If you go incomplete fusion acceptance criteria in API 1104, the correct option is option D. 1 inch is the individual indication, exceed is 1 inch, then definitely it is a defect. Question number 25. Porosity is, option A, evidence of gas traps in the cooling metal. Option B is display spherical indication. Option C is cause a reject if a single pore is larger than 1 by 8 inch. Option D is of the types PCP, HB, and option E is all of the above. So which one is the correct one? So correct one is all of the above. You can tell the porosity, evidence of gas, display spherical, cause of reject of the types. Question number 26. Which of the following apply an ESI? Option A, non-metallic solid traps in the weld metal. Option B is broken slag lines. Option C is an indication usually found at the fusion zone. And option D is an irregularly shaped inclusion. Option E is all of the above. If you go ESI, definitely all of the above the correct answer. You can see the non-metallic solid trap, broken slag lines, an indication usually found in the fusion zone you can see, and irregularly shaped inclusion. Question number 27. What condition causes the weld pool to be blown into the pipe? Option A, rapid uphill vertical welding. Option B is non-metallic solid is in the base metal. Option C is excessive travel speed. Option D is burn through. And option E is excessive pipe wall thickness. So the correct one, if you see the weld pool parallel to be blown into the pipe, definitely it is means the burn through. Option D is the correct one. Question number 28. Which of the following apply to star cracks? Option A, caused by vibration during welding. Option B is caused by metal contraction during solidification. Option C is caused by inclusions. Option D is generally weaken the weld excessively. So which one is the right answer? Which of the following apply to star cracks? Star cracks, always you have to go, there is metal contraction during solidification cracking. So option B is the right one. Option B is the right one. Question number 29. Defects other than cracks require which of the following? Option A, prior company authorization if the defect is in the cover pass. If there is a cover pass defect, and then company authorization is required. Option B is no authorization regardless of location. Option C is no authorization if the defect is in the cover pass. Option D is prior company authorization if the defect is in the root pass. Option E is C and D above. So, no authorization if the defect is in cover pass and prior company authorization if the defect is in the root pass. So, if there is a defect in the root pass, company authorization is required. So, C and D is the right answer. C and D above means option E. Option E is the right answer. Question 30. Cracked welds may be repaired provided which of the following criteria are met. Crack weld we can be accepted, but the following criteria should be met. Option A is the length of the crack is less than 8% of the weld length. Option B is the weld is made by qualified welder. Option C is a complete repair procedure has been developed and documented. Option D is all of the above, and option E is B and C above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above, means the length of the crack, the weld is made by qualified welder, and the complete repair procedure all should be required for repair weld. Question number 31. Upon visual detection of a weld defect, what should the inspector do? If there is a visual detection you see weld defect, what should the inspector do? Send it to production for repair. Option B, have it removed from the line unless permitted by 9.3.10. Option C, submit it for additional non-destructive testing. And option D is A and C above. And option E is send it to the company representative. So definitely it should be removed from the line unless permitted by 9.3.1.10. You can see in API 1104 it is clearly mentioned. Question number 32. Repair weld should option A meet the standards of acceptability of section 9. Option B is be examined by the company representative. Option C is be submitted for radiographic inspection. Option D is ground smooth with the minimum of metal removal. Option E is be re-inspected by a level 3 inspector. So repair weld should meet the standard of acceptability of section 9. So section 9 acceptability we have to meet. Question number 33. Which of the following are required in a weld repair procedure? Option A, method of defect removal. Option B, preheat requirement. Option C, specification information contained in 5.3.2. Option D is welding process or processes. Or option E is all of the above are required. So, correct answer is all of the above are required. Which of the following are required for a repair procedure? So, repair procedure, all the requirement is required. Question number 34. A radiographic test method using gamma radiation is being used to test a weld. When wire type penetrometer are used, the image of the essential diameter should be or shall be option A, the thickness of the penetrometer. Option B is 2T hole. Option C is clear across the entire area of interest. Option D is one T-hole, or option E is wire type penetrometer are no permitted in API 110 board. So correct answer is clear across the entire area of interest. We have to clear that area of interest, entered area. The question number 34, the option C is the right one. Question number 35. Who shall interpret the radiograph film of production oil? Option A level 1, option B level 1 or level 2, option C is the inspector, option D is level 2 or level 3, option E is the CWI. So definitely level 2 and level 3 only can interpret the radiograph film. Question number 36. Defect other than cracks may be repaired. Option A, with prior company authorization if the defect is in the root. Option B, with prior company authorization if the defect is in the filler beads. Option C, with prior company authorization if the defect is in the cover pass. Option D, without using a qualified welding repair procedure. Or option E is the A and B above. So correct answer is with prior company authorization if the defect is in the cover pass. So if there is company authorization you can get, and then defect you can repair. Question number 37. The abbreviation DWE SWB stands for option A double wall exposure for single wall viewing. Option B is double wall exposure for double wall viewing. Option C is double wall exposure for single wall viewing. Option D is double wall exposure for shielded wall V groups. Or option E is double wall exposure for single welded viewing. So correct answer is double wall exposure for double wall viewing. Question number 38. Ultrasonic testing personnel level 3. Option A is are permitted to calibrate equipment, are permitted to interpret test result. Option C is may be required to demonstrate skill for the company representative. Option D is shall develop the application technique and approve testing procedure. And option E is all of the above. Definitely all these things are done by level 3, should done. So all of the above is the right one, option E. Question number 39. In table 8, the penetrometer 2 used to test pipe with a 0.432 inch wall thickness is identified by what number? So what number penetrometer is required for 0.432 inch wall thickness? Option A 5, option B is 10, option C is 15, option D is 11, and option E is 17. So you can go in table 8, you can see the 11th penetrometer is required. Question 40. In table 8, the essential wire penetrometer diameter to use for pipe wall thickness of 0.55. If the wall thickness is 0.55, what is the essential wire penetrometer diameter? Option A is 0.008, option B is 0.010 inch, option C is 0.013 inch, option D is 0.016 inch, and option E is 0.020 inch. So if you go the table 8, definitely there is mentioned the essential wire penetrometer diameter for 0.55 inch wall thickness, that is 0.016 inch. Question number 41. What condition must be considered when using ultrasonic testing on in-service oil? So what condition is must be considered? The equipment is difficult to operate. Option B, operator required considerable experience. Option C, result are non-uniform from unit to unit. Option D is surface imperfection can interfere with its use. Option E is surfaces must be coated prior to testing. So correct answer is operator required considerable experience, then only using ultrasonic testing in service oil. Question number 42. In automatic welding, the table speed option A is recorded in millimeters only. Option B is need to be addressed if current and voltage are recorded. Option C is recorded in inches only. Option D is must be recorded for each pass. Option E is both A and C above. So the right answer is must be recorded for each pass. In automatic welding, you have to record each pass travel speed. Question number 43. Of the following, which is not considered an essential variable? Which is not essential variable? You have to choose. Wall thickness. Option B is direction of welding. Option C is cleaning. Option D is welding process. And option E is pipe diameter. Welding process is the non-essential variable. Question number 44. For automatic pipe welding, a line-up clamp, option A must be used. Option B must be of the internal type. Option C must be of the external type. Option D is optional as required. Option E is must be specified in the procedure. So it is optional as required. You can use or you cannot use. So option D is the right one. Question number 45. Which of the following is not an essential variable? Pipe wall thickness. Option B is direction of welding. Option C is post weld cleaning. Option D is welding process. Option E is pipe diameter. So post weld cleaning is not an essential variable. Question number 45. Question number 46. Radiographic testing shall be in accordance with option A, section 6.4, section 11.1, option C, section 13.9, option D is section 9.3.10. So section 11.1 is the right one for the radiographic testing. We have to check section 11.1 for in API 1104. You can get the details. Question number 47. When evaluating a neck break specimen that was performed on a flashback weld, the maximum size inclusion allowed is option A, half inch in length, 1/32 inch in depth, half inch in width. Option D, 1/8 inch in length and width. Option E is both A and C. So correct answer is half inch in width. Question number 48. Procedure qualification test for a flashback weld are being performed on a pipe that has an outside diameter of 20 inches. Means there is the outside diameter 20 inches the pipe. What is the total number of specimens that will be tested? So in procedure qualification in flashback weld, so how many testing specimen is required? Option A is 16, option B is 24, option C is 40, option D is 32, and option E is 28. Which one is the right one? 24 is the right one. Option B. Question number 49. In flashback welding, all of the following are essential variable except. So which one is not essential variable? Option A, welding position. Option B, axial speed tolerance. Option C is pipe material. Option D is pipe wall thickness. Option E is filler metal. So axial speed tolerance is the right one. It's not the essential variable. Question number 50. A single ISI in a flashback weld shall not exceed. Option A is 3/8 inch in length, 3/8. Option B is half inch. Option C is 1/8 inch in length. Option D is 1/16 inch in length. And option E is no ISI is allowed. The correct answer is half inch is the single individual indication. Question number 51. When non-destructive testing is being performed on a flashback weld, option A, it must be performed when weld is still hot. Option B is after flash is removed. Option C is before heat treatment is complete. Option D, after post heat treatment is performed. And option E is both B and D above. So very important question. When non-destructive testing is being performed on a flashback weld, what you have to do? Before heat treatment, you have to complete. Before heat treatment is complete. Question number 52. Table 10 requires how many test specimens for qualifying first class weld procedure? Option A, 24 total for 19 inch OD pipe. Option B is 32 total for 29 inch OD pipe. Option C is 40 total for 32 inch OD pipe. Option D is 4 tensile strength specimen required for all sizes. And option E, all of the above. So if you go in table 10, you can see option A, B, C, D, all is the correct one. So option E is the right answer. Question number 53. As a minimum completed flashback weld cell, option A is be heated above the AC3 temperature. Option B is use control cooling. Option C is use strip recorder to document heat treating. Option D is be heat treated again if out of specification. And option E is all of the above. So correct answer is all of the above. So minimum completed flashback, all these requirements need. Question number 54. Which of the following method is not specified in flashback repair procedure? Option A, grinding. Option B, chipping. Option C is gouging. Option D is surface etching. And option E is cleaning. So which of the following method is not specified? So surface etching is not specified in the repair procedure flashback. Hope you understand this all 54 questions. This question is very important. So hope you understand. If you have any concern regarding any questions, let me know. I can explain to you. I need your comments. It will encourage to me to make you more video. Thanks for watching. This is my YouTube channel. You can see my YouTube channel. You can go there and you can subscribe my channel. So it will get a more videos and you will not miss any videos in future. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular video. Thanks a lot. See you soon in my next video.